Ali Nuhu is a versatile Nigerian actor and director. He acts in both Hausa and English movies, and he is also known as the King of Kannywood or Sarkin Ali by the media. Kannywood is the Hausa film industry, an indigenous film industry headquartered in Kano, Nigeria. Ali Nuhu has appeared in more than 500 Nollywood and Kannywood films and earned numerous accolades. Ali Nuhu is widely regarded as one of the greatest and most influential actors of all time in the history of Hausa cinema, as well as Nigerian cinema in terms of audience, size, and income, and has been described as the most successful Hausa film star in the world. Today, the Nollywood Travel Film Festival honors Ali Nuhu Mohammed for his outstanding performance as an actor and producer in the Nigerian film industry.